Dear students, in this video lecture, I will teach you about calculation of crystal field stabilization energy for octahedral complexes. Okay? So in the previous video lectures, I have taught you in octahedral ligand field, d orbitals of central metal cation split in two set of orbitals Eg and T2G. Eg and T2G. Okay. To explain for the calculation of CFSE value, I have taken in this video lecture two examples, hexa aqua iron 2 and hexacyanido ferrate 2 ion. Okay. Student, in both complexes, central metal cation is iron 2. In its 3d orbitals, there are 6 electrons and its electronic distribution is like this. Okay. You know, students, water molecules are weak field ligand, WFL, while cyanides are strong field ligand. So it is very obvious in both cases, d orbitals of iron 2 plus will split, but the magnitude of delta O crystal field splitting parameter is less for WFL while it is higher for SFL, yani strong field ligand. Okay. So now students, after splitting, d orbitals electrons are reshuffled into these splitted orbitals by following Aufbau-Hund's and Pauli's exclusion principle. So students, let us fill electrons. So first, second and third. As a student, is a case of WFL. So in case of WFL, mean pairing energy P and delta O. In this case, P will be greater than delta O. So obviously, fourth electron will go into the Eg orbital, fourth, then fifth, and then sixth. It is a case of strong field ligand. So in strong field ligand, students, mean pairing energy P of electron will be less than delta O. So obviously in this case, first electron, second, third, obviously fourth electron will not enter into the Eg orbital, rather it will pair up in T2G orbitals. Okay. Now after filling electrons into these splitted d orbitals, now I will calculate CFSE value, that is crystal field stabilization energy. Okay, students. So students, CFSE value. CFSE is equal to, okay students. Students, with respect to barycenter, each electron of T2G orbital has been stabilized by -2/5 delta O, while each electron of Eg orbital potential energy has been raised by 3/5 delta O. I am telling you in other words, students, with respect to barycenter, each electron, rather potential energy of each electron of T2G orbital has been decreased by -2/5 delta O, while potential energy of each electron of Eg orbital has been raised by 3 by 5 delta O. So students, let us sum them algebraically. Okay, so CFSE value will be equal to, there are 4 electrons in T2g orbitals, 4 electrons in T2g orbital. Potential energy of each orbital has been lowered by minus 2 by 5 delta O. Okay, plus there are 2 electrons in Eg orbitals. Potential energy of each electron has been raised by 3 by 5 delta O with respect to barycenter, plus 3 by 5 delta O. So it comes out to be, students, okay, minus 0.4 delta O. One more thing, students. There is one paired electron. Here is also one paired electron. Yani, no extra pairing of electron has been occurred in this case. Now, I will find out the CFSE value for this another complex species in which ligands are strong. So, students, CFSE value will be equal to, again in this case, students, each electron of T2g orbital has been stabilized by minus 2 by 5 delta O with respect to barycenter, and there are no electron in the Eg orbitals. So students, 6 multiplied by, okay, minus 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 delta O plus 0 multiplied by plus 3 by 5 delta O plus, dear students, in the case of SFL, actually 2 extra pair of electrons are there. In the ground state, there is 1 pair of electron, while in hexacyanidoferrate 2 ion, there are 2 extra paired electron. That is, in other words, yani, we have supplied energy to pair them. So obviously we will write here 2p. ठीक है ना? 2p, 2 extra mean pairing energy of electrons. Okay. So now students, its value will be, okay, minus 2.4 delta O plus 2p. Okay. So it will be the students CFSE value for this hexacyanidoferrate 2 ion, while this will be CFSE value for this hexaaqua Rn2. So after doing these illustrations, now I will generalize how will you calculate CFSE value. Okay. Okay, students. So student, number of electrons, this is T2g, N2T2g means number of electrons in T2g orbitals multiplied by minus 2 by 5 delta O plus NEG, the number of electrons in Eg orbitals multiplied by plus 3 by 5 delta O plus, students, XP. The meaning of X is extra number of paired electrons with respect to what ground state. Okay. So N T2G number of electrons in T2G orbitals NEG, number of electrons in EG orbitals. X extra number of paired electrons. Okay. X for extra number of paired electrons, while P is mean pairing energy of electron. Okay. P mean pairing energy of electron. Okay. So student, one more thing. Number of electron will always be higher in T2G orbitals, and therefore CFSE will always have negative sign. Will always have negative sign if number of electrons are less than 10. In case of 10 or in case of 5, CFSE value obviously will be 0. In case of 5 electrons and WFL case, CFSE will be 0, while if there are 10 electrons in these orbitals, then CFSE value will be 0 irrespective of nature of ligand. So students, CFSE value will have negative sign if its value is there. Okay. So this is all about, students, this video lecture for calculation of crystal field stabilization energy. Thank you, students.